I'm John Airy, and I love Topeka. I mean, Google. The city, now known as Google, at least until the end of the month, when it will return back to its original name of Topeka. That's the city I love. Man, this is an exciting time to live in the capital city. I mean, we just changed our name, temporarily, and we have a real shot at becoming the most technologically advanced city in the world. But I can see one major drawback to this new name change and all the excitement. Imagine being from out of town and you're driving through and you're like, hey, I can't find Topeka Boulevard. I'm going to stop for directions. And when you ask for directions, people are like, Topeka Boulevard? Do you mean Google Boulevard? I mean, that's just confusing. I mean, Google Boulevard, that's probably not on your TomTom or your Garmin or your GPS system. People are going to get confused. Also, does this mean we need to change the names of some of our other respected city institutions? Are we going to start calling it Google High and Google West? What about the Google Civic Theater? Or the Google Roadrunners? Or the Google Rotary Club? Did we have this problem back in 1998 when we renamed the town after a Pokemon character? Did people call it the Topeka-Chew Capital Journal? Perhaps that's just the unintended consequence of progress. And I'm okay with that. And I think a lot of other Topekans, Googlians, are too. I set up a camera the other day over at the campus of Washburn and asked local people what they thought about Google coming to Topeka, or Google, or whatever you want to call it.
Well, I think Topeka has a lot to offer Google, and Google has a lot to offer Topeka.
I think it'd be a great opportunity for us as college students to be able to have a facility with fast enough internet service that we could do original research from this campus, and that could just benefit the entire world in a global sense.
I need Google because, I'm an online gamer, and the way it basically comes down to whoever has the fastest connection wins. With that in mind, it's a no-brainer. I like, the fastest internet I could get, the biggest advantage I could get, I'm a gaming nerd.
I just think faster internet would be great.
There's a lot here that's attractive to Google. I think there's a lot of capability for them to come in and put the equipment in quickly. I know one of their concerns is, what's the infrastructure like? How quickly can we get lines up and that sort of thing? And so I know that, for one of the things there's a lot of places where they could just throw the fiber up on poles and they're good to go.
I would love to have faster internet in Topeka and the surrounding Shawnee County area.
I like the atmosphere up here. I like the openness of the people here. They're friendly, they're helpful, and we're more than willing to work with companies that come in and help us out.
Oh, please, Google, please make this happen, because honestly, my ulterior motive is I would love to work for you.
It's sort of like, build it and they will come, and we've got that mentality. We're ready for it.
Our students here at Washburn deserve fast internet, and our community members here in the Topeka area deserve and need and want fast internet service. So Google, come to Topeka.
Google, please come to Topeka.
Please, please choose Topeka. We are an awesome, awesome city to work with. You will love us.
Google, please come to Topeka.
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 Google, please come to Topeka. We like it. We want you. We're happy to have you. Thank you.
What an exciting time! Not only is our city making national headlines for some very positive reasons, but local people are working together for a common cause. And I believe we have a real shot at becoming one of the most technologically advanced cities in the world. But we've got to keep the enthusiasm going. If you haven't done so yet, please join the Facebook page. And if you haven't taken the Google survey, you can find a link for it over at thinkbigtopeka.com. And be sure to tell all your friends. Our deadline to get all of the surveys in is March 26th. As Googlian Lori Mean says, let's all march together with Google. I'm John Airy, and I love Google.
March with me, I'll march with you, and so we will march together as we march along.